What's up guys, Matt from Faema, Canada here, and today we're making a classic Manhattan with the signature Fabbri Amarena Cherries. So the Manhattan is a classic that consists of 2 ounces of rye whiskey, sweet vermouth, a little bit of bitters, and topped with the one and only Amarena cherry. Before we start making our Manhattan, it's really important to have a chilled cocktail glass because this drink is served neat. So we're gonna add some ice to our cocktail glass, and we're gonna add some water. Now we're gonna set this off to the side and build the rest of our drink. We're gonna start with 1 ounce of our sweet vermouth. Then we're gonna be adding in 2 ounces of rye whiskey. You can use other types of whiskeys, but for today, we're gonna be using a Canadian rye whiskey. We're gonna add in 2 dashes of our aromatic bitters. And my personal secret ingredient here, we're gonna take a bar spoon of the cherry liquid and add that right in. So now we're gonna stir with ice. Now we're gonna stir our cocktail for about 20 to 30 seconds. I get this question all the time, why do you stir versus when do you shake? The main answer to that is to ensure that when you're having a cocktail that's spirit forward, you don't want to bruise all the natural aromatics that are found in that spirit. So that is why you stir it to dilute it gently, if that makes sense. So now we're going to take our chilled cocktail glass and we're going to strain our Manhattan into the glass. For our garnish, we have the one and only Amarena cherry. That's the Manhattan. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching. For more cool content, feel free to check out our Instagram page at Faema_Canada. And for all your Fabbri product needs, check out our website, faema.ca.